Yep. Oh, he's
Hey,
waking
buddy.
up.
He's smiling.
He's working.
How you doing? You about to wake up from your long nap?
Yeah, he is.
Look at.
Yeah. I like when he sticks his little tongue out. Okay. All right. I'll hold him a little closer here. Come on up, my man. Come on. Yeah. How's that?
Want to get all warm, snuggled up?
That's exactly it. He wants to get warm. It's kind of chilly out here. There he is.
Oh my God, he's starting to open his eyes. Open! One, now they're closed. No. They're open again. Hey, Grant. Hi, buddy.
This is Charlotte. Say hi.
Hi, buddy.
Yeah, it's about as close as you can get.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
So cute.
And he tucks in again.
Look, his eyes peeping out.
Is it?
Open. All right.